Hi, I'm Bob Kablusek. I'm the Chief Innovation and Technology Officer at Sentinel.
Chad Richards, Senior Director of Technical Sales.
My name is Chris Yakimakis. I'm the Technical Product Manager here at Fortis by Sentinel.
XDR, Extended Detection and Response, it's really, a game-changing technology for detecting threats within an organization. You'll see a lot of vendors coming out with XDR, oftentimes as an extension to EDR, the Endpoint Detection and Response. And XDR aims to aggregate different pieces of signal in a customer environment to give you a better view and a more instant threat alert when you have bad things happening within your systems. A lot of the XDR systems start with endpoint. They're bringing in cloud security components. They're also bringing in firewalls, network analytics, threat intelligence. But they're bringing this all together and handing it to us in ways that we didn't have available to us in previous products. I believe XDR is important for pretty much everyone. I mean, analysts are predicting that over the next 2 to 3 years, you're going to see less than 2% rate of adoption jump to well over 30% in most enterprises. And the reason for that is people have to find threats in the environment faster. Current tools don't provide the automation necessary. They don't provide the instantaneous or near real-time alerting that's available with the new XDR platforms. And it's taking it from select pieces of signal that would easily identify a compromise within your organization. So a lot of people have different approaches on it. I really love Cisco's approach to this, where they're combining cloud analytics along with a great platform, endpoint, firewall, email, all those important pieces of signal in the environment to identify threats very quickly, let you know very quickly, and make it easy for your SecOps team to take action. I think that's why it's going to be really important for everybody to take a look at XDR and figure out how it fits into their defenses.
EDR is still around. What really happened is there was an evolution that happened. Not much dissimilar to having a standard firewall turn into a next generation firewall, where we took an IPS, we took application security, and we smashed it together for the next generation firewall. Still there, right? The EDR component is still there, but now it resides inside of the XDR, along with cloud and network telemetry, to work together to be able to speed up the actual collaboration and alerting that. Yeah, we're really excited about Cisco XDR. There's a lot of XDRs in the market today, but the challenge that they have is that a lot of them are handcuffed to the EDR component. Cisco XDR is not. It's agnostic in its approach with a lot of different technologies, and it allows flexibility with inside of an environment. And that's realistically how most networks are, right? You don't have one single architecture throughout the entire environment. It allows you to have those pivot points, and that's quite important in security, to be able to change. Sometimes products don't always pan out. Sometimes you need to shift because of your direction as a company and your outcomes you're looking for. Cisco really allows you to have that flexibility and not be tied into one single product.
So how does Fortis leverage XDR? And I'm going to extend that to SIEM as well, because Fortis has the advantage of having both. So the beauty is we can address a customer's needs, whether it's XDR that's going to solve that problem for them, the outcome that they're looking for, identify threats very quickly in their environment. We can solve that with XDR. We can also apply a SIEM to solve that with additional use cases such as long-term searching, long-term log retention, additional log sources that really just don't fit into XDR or maybe more risk-centric, and extensive reporting as well. So Fortis has got both tools available to the analysts. We've got a managed service on both. And our team of experts, our technical sales specialists, can help you identify which one or which ones fits best for you.
XDR is changing SecOps in a few different ways. The first one is really enabling the security analyst during their threat triage to be able to actually take action without needing to understand the configuration pieces of the source tool that generated alerts or where the isolation needs to take place. The second one would be correlating all the various alerts into one incident that an analyst can quickly go through and not get bombarded by all the noise and things that don't matter for that specific alert. And the last one is really bringing network detection and response components into the solution, right? So typically being able to see lateral movement within your environment, but also for cloud environments as well. Those are really the big key plays of XDR enhancing the SecOps.
So my final thoughts on XDR. The XDR platform is not a marketing gimmick, right? This is something that is truly needed as a next generation tool for everybody in the market, right? This is a collaboration of your endpoints, your network, and your cloud coming all together and allowing that telemetry to be collaborated much quicker than anything we've seen before. And the last piece that I'll say is no tool in the market should be left unmonitored. So make sure anything that you put in place, there's no set it, forget it. There's nothing like that in the industry. So make sure that you have 24-hour monitoring on everything that you put in place so that you don't get caught holding back.